My name is Patrick. You are welcome to the Happiness Channel, a channel that hopes to bring happiness and balance into your world, in a world that is out of balance. Today, I'm actually going to be talking about how to bring balance and happiness into your life in this maiden edition of the Happiness Channel. We live in a world of chaos. Every day we hear news of wars, kidnapping, terrorism, rape, and various pandemics that are ravaging the world today. They are constantly being beamed via television and radio into our living room. The tendency is for people to become fearful of the future and their well-being. However, in the midst of all this, you can maintain your balance and happiness level. In a way, that is what this video is all about today. I want to teach you how to be balanced and happy in a world that is constantly changing. I'm going to be talking about two principles today. The first principle is living in the moment. The second is doing the daily practice. What is living in the moment? Living in the moment is putting the bulk of your attention in the present moment. It is living as if there is no tomorrow. When you live in the moment, you forget about all your worries, your pain, the angers, the disappointments of the past, and you free yourself from the fear and circumstances you envisage is going to happen in the future. When you live in the moment, you benefit from the peace that comes from recognizing the gifts that the universe is bringing into your life. Gifts such as the gift of life, the gift of shelter, the gift of a good meal on our table, the gift of good health, and the gift of healing that is taking place in the moment. You focus all your attention on carrying out your task, just as you are grateful for the sunshine and the rainfall. What this does is that it removes the pressure out of the grind of daily living and guarantees that you stay happy on a moment-to-moment basis. Living in the moment does not mean you don't make plans for the future. What it means is that you detach from the outcome of those plans, just as you surrender to a higher power. I'm now going to talk about the second principle, doing the daily practice. The daily practice consists of four aspects of our life: the physical aspect, the emotional aspect, the mental aspect, and the spiritual aspect. Like a chair or table with four legs, they ensure the user has comfortability and balance. That is what these four aspects of a daily practice do for us. I'm not going to dissect them one after the other. The physical. The physical aspect, it ensures your physical well-being. It ensures you eat a daily balanced diet. You drink moderately or completely abstain from alcohol. And you do physical exercise every day or anything that will make you sweat. This aspect ensures that you are physically fit and better able to handle crises when they come. The emotional aspect. Your emotional well-being affects your balance and your happiness. That is why you must spend time with the people, with family and friends that makes you happy, while avoiding friends and the people that makes you sad and drain off your energy. The third one I'm going to talk about is the mental aspect. Like your physical muscles, which can go atrophy when not in use, the mental muscles can go stale when you don't use them. So therefore, this aspect is all about using your mental muscles by reading every day and writing every day. One aspect of this is writing 10 ideas every day. Write ideas about how to make the world a better place. Write 10 ideas of how to make your life better. Write 10 ideas of which business you can start now. What this does for you is that it makes you an idea machine, and you are able to come up with ideas faster to run your life. The last aspect is the spiritual aspect. This connects you with a higher power, infinite intelligence, God, or the Almighty God, if you like, depending on which terms appeals to you. Read a spiritual text every day and spend time in prayer, meditation, or contemplation. What this does is that it attunes you to the universal power of love and happiness. Just as you unfold your inner qualities of balance, happiness, love, and you are able to surf through the wave and the rhythm of life gracefully and roll with the punch. Happiness, balance, and grace becomes your lot.